Okay, right now I'm adding a coat of black on this canvas. And right now we're gonna do outer space. That's what we're gonna paint today. Okay, I'm gonna take my light blue and I'm gonna start in the center of my painting and just make a circle. And I'm gonna go out as I make the circle. Keep going out further. Okay, now I'm gonna get a darker blue. And I'm going the outer part and I'm gonna keep going in a circle like that. Just going right around in a circle with my darker blue. And I'm gonna throw a little white in here too. Just to give it that. Okay, I'm gonna go around there and make some streaks. I'm gonna break it up a little bit. Just with the edge of your brush. That's what you're gonna do. Just go around with your, fade it out. Don't use a bunch of paint on the outer parts. Just use what's left on your brush. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get the white. I'm gonna go right in the middle. I'm gonna make my little circle right there. A little white circle. Before you do this, you might want to let it dry just a little bit so that way you can get your full white. Okay, I'm gonna add a little white and I put a little purple in there. Just going around in circles. If you feel that your circle is too big, you can always go around with the black and you can make it a little bit smaller. You can shrink it. Okay, I'm gonna get the white and I'm just gonna make a little circle right in the middle. Okay, right now I'm gonna add some stars. I have a toothbrush. What I'm gonna do is put a little water. I put a little water in my toothbrush, just a little bit, wet it, dip it in my white a little bit, and you're gonna use your finger and you're just gonna splatter it around just like this. And you have your stars. Okay, and I'm gonna just use a smaller brush and just dab some circles on there for my bigger stars or planets. Okay, I think I'm gonna add a planet. You guys can add add planets if you want. But this is just space and it needs another planet with it. So I'm gonna add a little mixture of colors here. A little green, yellow, white, just mix of colors. Might even throw a little blue in there. You can use a pencil. What you're gonna do is just dab it with a little bit of white. And you just go straight across the middle. Grab some paint, and then catch a little paint as you go across. And you have your little Saturn here. Okay, and here you have your space painting, and you can add more planets if you want, or you can just, you can just add cutouts and just stick it right onto your painting, like Star Wars, some other planets. Just be creative.